Okay, hi, good afternoon. This is Ajay Mittal, General Manager IT for VECV. I look after the digital and connected platform for my organization. As we speak, we have about more than 250,000 vehicles on our digital platform, which we have developed. We name it My Eicher. This was created to provide a digital platform to our customers, to our channel partners, to enable a lot of analytical insights, driving behavior insights, operational insights, so that customer and our channel partners, primarily our dealers, can benefit from it and enable more value to our customers. Right, so let me give you a brief about my organization, VECV, a joint venture between Volvo Group and Eicher Motors. And this organization has a very important tagline that we bring relevant modernization to the trucking industry. And with that, we have enabled a connected solution in April 2020, when we announced that we are going to be 100% connected. So with that, what happens that all our vehicles which we have produced from April 20, which is the mark of introduction of BS6 in India as well, are 100% connected with a telematics device. And we are proud to say that we are the first OEM to do that across our various product ranges, ranging from heavy-duty trucks, LMD trucks, buses. We'll do, and as we speak today, manufacturing for more than 85,000 a year. And this last year, 31st March, we crossed 100,000 vehicles. So we have a huge population of connected vehicles in the market today. And in that, what we have done is, as I mentioned earlier in my introduction, that the connected platform that we have developed is serving those connected vehicles for our customers. And in that journey, we developed this platform, and as part of our technology association, we collaborated with Zeliot to bring in a platform, a technology-agnostic platform for our connected devices, data integration, and become a data pipeline platform for us, which allows us to transform a generic streaming technology to a cloud-agnostic native architecture. So that is what this association has been. So as part of the overall architecture, if you look at from a technology perspective, the first part of the technology architecture in any digital or IoT-driven platform is data. How the data is coming from the vehicle, the telematics devices, or sensors. So for that part, the first building block of getting connected data to the cloud, the streaming technology platform called Condense became our entry point, which is responsible for device data transformation, device interaction, transformation of data, and enabling the data pipeline which goes into our subsystems of data analytics, the My Eichers, and various other satellite systems which we have developed for our different persona users that we have. So that is where it brings in. So what Condense brought in for us was the streaming platform on our cloud, enabling faster deployment of data pipeline, enabling a quicker turnaround for us, and also bringing in innovation which is not cloud dependent. The solution, the technology platform and architecture that we have developed, it has been kept in mind that it is designed and developed by us, and it is onto our cloud. Our cloud means the technology architecture that we have set up is on the cloud, for which we have our own account and setup. Now with the Condense, what happened was that we were able to bring the Condense onto our cloud as a solution. So it is as like BYOD, bring your own device. So it was like Condense was brought onto our cloud, so bring your own cloud. So that kind of an technology integrations were possible, deployment was possible. And with data ownership, its process, its compliance to the law of the land in terms of the data security and privacy, the DPDP Act which is coming, all those things were taken care by VECV, by us. and Condense was becoming the data gateway for us on our cloud. So that way, the data is not going outside our cloud, it is onto our cloud only, and all the PI, SPI aspect of the data was taken and safeguarded onto this cloud by required controls. VECV was able to get certain benefits. One was definitely the technology architecture aspects, that we were very focused in our solution architecture, that we wanted those technology components who can help us being cloud agnostic. We don't want any cloud native. So that is where the first part where Condense fit in. The second aspect was its ability to scale. Initially, we had our own set of observations. That is why we spent initial time with Zeliot team to do its testing, its validation, whether it can scale up. All those aspects were taken, and that is where their team collaboration with that helped in terms of enabling it. And then obviously it's going into its operational manageability and also bringing in those cost aspects, because in streaming the cloud part, the cost becomes a major reason for deciding any technology. So from technology selection, ease of deployment and cost, all three aspects linked to the fourth important point, ability to scale as we grow. So those aspects were the reason that we were able to look upon when we selected Condense. So that's how we were able to take it up. So for us, the Condense platform has been, as I said, it's cloud agnostic, number one. That's why it is on, we were able to put onto our architecture. Second, the overall solution part of the Condense was device agnostic. It is not only that it is linked to our standard fitment devices, even those multi-fleet aftermarket devices that we put up onto our customer vehicles as part of our multi-fleet offering, those also were able to integrate. So it brought in those connectors, the integration layers with us. For us, that was able to enable that. Now, is the journey ending here? No, it is start of the journey. Now, as we are adding more technology, vehicle digitalization features, I can name one of them being the DSMS, the driver state monitoring solution. That is also getting integrated with Condense becoming the data gateway for us. So those device integrations, new and new vehicle digitalization features getting added in terms of new solutions we are developing. So for us, this becomes the device and connected gateway, providing us platform capabilities, not only about data, but also its monitoring. Also its SIM management. Those are integrated with the TSPs, the telecom service providers. So all those layers becomes a common architecture solution when we look at this setup with Condense. Industry-specific solutions, let me put into two categories. One, the solutions which we have enabled for our customers, which are as part of the My Eicher feature, which are track and trace, which are, I'll talk about insights, analytical insights, which are enabled of data transformation enabled through the pipeline, getting into our technology architecture, data lake, that is there, it was done. The other aspect of the feature which was enabled is towards the left-hand side of the data pipeline, which are about device monitoring, device command center. One important aspect which people tend to pay less attention, but we have learned it that we should be focusing more, is all about data ops and KPI ops. Now that also is one of the aspects that we are working with Condense team, the Zeliot team, to enable it at the edge of cloud, so that we are able to derive near real time and effective insights to enable right output for our customers and take required measures. Otherwise, being reactive in that can have its various repercussions. So we wanted to get that as part of that solution. So we are working with Zeliot and our team to develop a command center, which is at the edge of the cloud. So that's it. So two areas of capabilities getting enabled through this platform. So well, it is one of the building block. So other digital transformation is not only about data, it's also about transformation features, the change management to be done, various personas and functions being taken into account, and how those features, the programs will deliver value. But all those things have one important thing, that is data in its pipeline, in how it is created, defined. So vehicle digitalization, the My Eicher digital platform and certain features that we develop as part of analytics. They all need data, and its data pipeline needs to be scalable, near real-time, KPI data ops enabled with required monitoring. So that is where this association with Zeliot and their product called Condense helps us in reaching out for our business transformation. So this platform acts as one of the building blocks for us to take it to that journey. Well, as I explained earlier, the selection of any technology is not on one criteria. It has multiple aspects to be looked upon. One of them is definitely for us, there were 4 main reasons. One was it needs to be cloud agnostic. It cannot be a cloud native one. Should be, as I said, open source and scalable. Third, its operability in terms of skill. And fourth is the cost. So when we look upon all these 4 reasons, so they all combined became the reason for us to select Condense. And fifth important aspect is ability of the partner to become a co-owner in this journey. So that is what one aspect has to be seen upon. So that was again 5th dimension which was added when we looked upon in total selection of this journey. And thanks to Zeliot team being part of this journey, and I'm sure we'll have many more things to achieve as we move in this journey together. So as part of our migration, so apart from technology selection and initial journey of doing testing, validation to reach to a decision, the migration was, we thought it will be less complex since we were already running a connected platform. And however, it has its own share of challenges, which gave us more insight into what aspects to be looked upon in the platform, in the overall setup. And this team joined hands with us. Zeliot team was together with us in terms of those journey, and it was made possible together where we were able to define certain data pipeline aspects, data ops aspect, and the journey is still continuing. We have just made setup ready, done. I think almost like we are about an year old, year and a half now, and now we are ready to take up the next steps in our transformation journey along with this data platform together, where DSMS is coming and many more vehicle digitalization features will come. So as I said, the selection to start of the journey is first step. Now the real aspects is going to come, and we have put up our programs accordingly on that. So at the end, what I can say is that what I truly appreciate and the support, the engagement with Zeliot and the platform that we have, the Condense platform, which is enabling our data pipeline, enabling our vehicle digitalization journey from data integrations from devices to cloud, enabling certain edge features, and also helping us in our GTM approach. So giving us open source technology and being one of the building block in our digital transformation journey. And with Zeliot team, what is happening is that we are able to offload certain platform related AMS or maintenance aspects to the team. So they are able to handle the infra monitoring, bringing out those insights of platform usage, the cloud usage, the monitoring aspects, and with the regular governance with their team, we are able to co-own it together. So their ability to work with us, their ability and intent in this journey, and helping us to be in the forward journey of taking up newer initiative, allows us that okay, we are in this together, first of all, and also ensuring that the whole platform is within our control, and we are controlling the data, what is coming out with required data security aspects as per the compliance we are able to do. And not only data platform, the Zeliot team's intent and ability to bring certain aspects of market insights, capabilities that we should add up and look upon newer initiative that can be done is also adding to our journey together. So That is what we are able to see that at the end. Thanks.